the son, so this is IK, don't get money to take do marriage. One and no day with her. What will happen? Make I more take blood covenant, which is oath. I get the proof will take the blood oath. Besides I give the price that they no you don't talk about her. The blood oath will never see return until today. If me don't take the blood oath, by that I will come marry. What make me born for 2 me with that idiot bastard they talk yesterday. He said by that time we will come marry. You understand? I can't say okay, no problem. I can't come back to Jenny. I can't remove my pregnancy prevention with operation. That I remove her. I can't take it for my son. So by the time they grow, I will say as the woman. Not knowing say, even all this time when me deal with the woman, so the other girl will see fair born for her, one girl will born for her. This girl, so this woman so go call her, if you be mother, woman. This as I small rich so I get belief for your son. See what you they talk about another even to the extent say one time I had a dream this lady can't really that's the woman with for the guy can't really they worry me, they disturb me and all of that. I don't know whether they disturb me, but if I dream sometimes I will see her. She can't tell me say that the lady she can't carry me go give one native daughter one man. Maybe they work for me put. Not knowing say that same native daughter when he carry people, he don't first carry the man go. You understand? He don't first carry the that same girl. So we first born for the boy. He don't first carry her to go there. They bury something for ground. They will bath you inside and all of that. I don't know whether that protection you need to want for whether that another problem. I don't deny no me and this boy come.
I got call, bro. I need to call my guy, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? I need to call my G, bro. I need to call my G, bro. Why not? Only adios.
Let work packets just to say this word eat. The day when I born my son, as I born my son on the 4th of 4, because the way she said they talk yesterday, it's my brother's baby, ma'am. Who yeah, everybody way they social media me they play her. Who no know say mama part? Who no know mama part son for what they do? May the person come out. Because I never wanted to bring all this matter out until that stupid man they talk past our boundaries yesterday. As I get belay for my son, during the video when I want born, this boy comes to me say, "What's it I go help out to? Make I they not I will sell you the shots. They not get food for us. Make I beg, make I help am with food, with money. I go to say money not really to deal with me. I can go collect packet, go and come 12 hours before I come. My belly don't come down one born. You understand? I can't really born that the day when I born so this boy can send me kissing video of me and different girls. Kissing video of me and different girls, he can't send that for me. Because as he send me, it's a mistake to want that for the other girl. So after all the life, after I born my son, I really don't want to open up or display their private life in here. That one of my people, what's it concern me? Now I go talk, I don't be evil Imade. Even when I move on with my life, I can't say they make friends with that Imade. Since I take this Europe, nobody know my name. Or even I get friends. None of me and my friends and friends will call them, will go settle. Now only this Imade so, and they carry people matter the come. Jennifer, now so this one. To the extent, there was one day where they call Jasmine. Imade tell me, I didn't say boss, I did say, they can't get issues, just the way me and they get issues. So the reason why I be wrong from, but she don't think we can destroy my marriage. She don't tell me, say me, now, if my man help her do work, where they can scatter that Jasmine relationship. Then I tell you what I sit down and I pay. Did you hear me about? And so don't they call it, because me really know Mama Pa saying what she could do, because it gets one time, we will be guests. It don't tell 2021, Sharon with the Italy. Giulietta for France. Many other girls with many reach like 6. That time we got the talk. We come like say, I got tell her second.
Why you stop? Why you stop?
I got the stupid boy say, all of us now I don't know say you be true. With the turn the child, once they turn the boy out, he want go in for us and the boy mama things. Before I know, all of us we use the plan. Call the entire of.
Oh yeah, Jasmine, wait, this one I made part Usoh daughter. This is Imade Pat Usoh daughter. This particular one where they wear this blue this colored hair so. Now she be Jasmine. This one not this one I see their cousin. This one Jasmine so the friend to Imade go. Now this one now they use you finishing destiny, use and finishing marriage, you finish your relationship. Where part this one the picky use you finish your destiny for them. Your children, your daughter, friends so. Oh yeah, Jennifer, talk to us. We are hearing you. God bless you for the confession.
First body. Yeah. We all come to the fight. All of us come down together. Me when once in Nigeria, I reach Nigeria that day. I go say I want come from Africa. Small phone way they with me. I don't know say the small for the time I still get my son belly. The small phone I don't know say the small phone that mama own because the phone can't spoil. So as the one escort me go airport, then mama take give her the phone. Or say where we lodge. As I check inside the conversation, I can see where this woman tell list our name. Give one native doctor where they call Babu. He call like the first one, Jennifer Ibrahim, the pregnant one. The second one, he call like Sharon Osayende. The third one, he call like Julieta Imafidon. The fourth one, like you can name all the Euro girls. When you say picking, they can't say picking here. When the mama says I was made to this state, so they say that for protection, they protect me. Make the girls not feel but I know say not protection you do. I know say the work what you do for the scatter me all of us. Because that's why fear not let me come out since then, because she be very strong and spiritual person. I don't know. I think that was not enough. All these people not going to leave me. I don't still move on with my life. I don't deal with another person. Where I deal with, they will come with time. Like again, one matter where even for 2021. If by 2021, why I say know this boy, I need to defend myself. Even if I don't feel come out for live video because I cannot, I cannot be best ways I mean they do live video. If by 2021, why I say know this boy where they talk so. I never
share this video with your power tab.
The time I take that and say this boy, he was even married, called the other for me and he had 2 children again. I wanted to leave the relationship. Like I say no this boy when they call casting. You they get after this casting they go because of different so now even she still cause out. Now so casting they friend one girl. Now so they say so I don't want to put the people name inside a conversation. I don't want problem. I can't block the boy later for peace to reign. I can't go back to this my baby. I can't say me and this my baby that they can't settle issue. You believe say after like 5 years this girl keep recording. When they ask whether I have something to do with the boy, he can't go send that for my baby. Papa still I don't born. That's 5 years later. So me fighting all these people ever since the people that boy when they talk about so that I came question. I make carry and travel.
The wash and throw. Yeah.
I make carry the boy travel go up. If I'm lying, may they bring see yet. I don't pay one even when they don't travel go up. But when they talk first and say because they want marry. I know how many times. They give people my number when they beg me. Even I'll tell you the chat when they beg me. Even people for Jamie here, I'll tell them say I don't already move on because I don't feel they date man. Now maybe Pepe, now maybe Maggie. They see the man who you follow now.
And they fine boy now. A fine boy connection.
If mama go come for family meeting, say if mama come for family meeting, we never travel.
Yeah, don't go big. Yeah.
Nobody know the mental stress when these people don't give me. Nobody know where I don't get. Since I take come Jenny, I don't come abroad, come to prostitution. I saw if they do my own, they go. Now school I they go before I know the boy why I can get belly for her. If not work out, I move on. Everybody will see move on. Will see they on their own piece. They your own lane. I go take my own lane. To another one, they can't post the boy for social media for TikTok. Another girl. What they happen so? If they stay with the girl for once, they can't friend the girlfriend for Cyprus. What they say. So when the girl got this friend that the girl can't post all naked picture with different girls, I go send that for you with my own song picture. Like on the verse, where you go post that. Like our quality start to. He say where mama go. He first say that the first baby mama I go ask for her. They say that the first baby mama go out for her. They tell her say that me. I can't call the lady. The lady say no. He tell her say he life not good. Now they come tell her say now ask the warrior say not be me they talk. You understand? I can't call. He say that his mama talk her. His mama so anywhere they go. He say that woman way born for her. Now he make her no better for life. I take 4 for 3 stories building. And he say before they come deport her. His mama not strong woman. I don't get what I say they worry that boy. I got tired. I don't know how I want to explain myself again. His sister don't tell me to liar. Like what if they say normally say that girl is small to me. She go wear with she go wear clothes now me. So when the girl got this friend that the girl can't post all naked picture with different girls for WhatsApp. He first say that the first baby mama I go ask for her. They say na me. I don't know in any way what I do this girl.
Okoro. Okay,
I don't get in any. Ask me, sir.
This issue now yesterday they can't come up for social party talk.
Yes, yesterday, now me be talk to a parade when I called the call, I want to talk to you because of my son. Or because when they did conference call, so they were saying a lot of things about my son. And so me they do procedure. Say me to the insult girls when they do a shower. I know they insult girls. Anything where you want to work on yourself, now your own. But for me, I don't like her. You understand? I know they do a shower. No, he say me the insult girls when they do a shower. Say because they will quarrel. If they still laugh, me also use their shower when I say no say they see they do because this guy so now if they in the background they pimp for me. Now shower they fuck everybody. All of them know one for beneath for them.
Okay, this is Madden and Benin.
Now Benin, it don't the UK now. Mama Pat's daughter. Now in the same man, the same man so I go meet my baby father. The same man so nothing they never do to take destroy me. Just to me to say people they believe say this girl a liar.
Even your baby sister.
Sister. Okay, relationship when I don't live, man when I don't live for past of 6 years. Anytime I try to bring the matter up, he go say, baby, you like the boy. They won't go post my son picture, join the papa naked picture for TikTok. Okay. That kind of thing makes sense.
Hold on. You don't already get another man.
I don't already break another man, I don't already born. The man when me deal with so. Now she don't go send our record of 2021, say I go make another man for.
Okay. The man with the
you don't understand? The man with the so yes.
Okay, now.
I don't deal with this man so I don't deal with her for more than 5 years.
Now, what's it could be their problem now?
I don't know what it be their problem. They want kids, I know they sleep. Nah. He get one of my friends who will not play a game for years, where he go sleep with my boyfriend. She don't go gang up with that one. Every day they'll do conference call and they will say lies. How people come to they sleep with me on top of my son pregnancy for Jenny. How make they me come, everybody know me for Jenny. Like what different people when they see me for lies, I don't know they don't call me. No, not be you. But if you call another thing, say maybe to fool person safe. I know they fool myself.
When you get belly, anybody sleep on top of your belly.
God forbid. Everybody cannot get belly, but if I even in a relationship, I know the shit. The only reason why I follow that boy that 2021 because I really needed to leave that boy. Immediately I can see newborn baby pitching for your hand. Because he not tell me.
Okay now. Your big papa, how many of you now? He called a friend. How many of you now?
The one when I born for, so wait, when I did with.
No, what you did with now? Him and this brother.
That him and the brother with many for the girls. One girl first born from Mama Diana, but Juletta, Sharon, with many Kudia, with many Europe girls like this. Everybody knows about her. Those are me not good know. Like lifestyle. I don't feel judge anybody how you live your life.
No, that's not so. Which country income fully the base now?
They don't deport her. They deport her from Cyprus. Now Cyprus, let me carry her. My brother do visa from go to Cyprus. So if you are from Cyprus, the entire Greece. But they don't say I want to get a deport her for Greece. They can't go to marriage for go marry one Cameroon get for Cameroon. But Papa don't know. When I mean, if you come say Papa say I can do marriage for Cotonou, Papa call. Papa say no, they don't invite her, they don't tell Papa. The same way they go add, use me to take blood oaths.
Which country can they now?
It is Nigeria.
Oh,
this is enter Nigeria. My relationship me no stand again. So problem. Me and my baby, me and my mouth.
Hold on. All these things we talk, so you get evidence.
Everything when I talk, so I don't feel like a better. I know the person will be like one come out for social media. All my friends they call it with me, so they say, "Why are you talking?" If I wait, like send you some. If I might begin send you some, as we would talk so. May I begin send you some
evidence. Show.
Go reach Esther. It don't really matter. This girl will talk.
Oh.
Go reach. I say, one man where they carry people, they come Germany, where they carry people come abroad. Where they say the wife is not nurse. This man they sleep with the man for the
that man. Is 24 beats.
The man where I go work. This same person now, it will come social media. You want to drag me for what he said. I want. If you see what I said for you.
Oh, give me a look.
You see the time when they take post my son for social media. When I take message the girl, that that's another day where they go and do to post them. So imagine so that even when I come they call the girl, the girl is later. When the people I'm married to someone else, my husband said something like this. It don't tell me that from now you are advocating for someone who tarnishes your image at every given opportunity, every time, every day. Just because the mama is a celebrity, nobody will talk to me, nobody will join me, my voice will not be heard.
Your voice will be heard now.
Okay. You see what I said for you, this one a message will take blood oath. This one a message where I say they tell and say, I cry till they break. Man, what do you do for me? I come home after all my money where you eat. Now only picking they carry. Now only me they carry picking they go. When they say
all these women are sweat rats.
Then when they spoil me, now
Usoh.
I know say
that part is what they do.
When I go tell you, go feel remove everything back our past from your mind. But I will still beg you because of things with this boy, like calling sister when I carry go ask me to take care of me when I new home. This boy told this sleep with her.
Oh, yeah, now. Oh, we are part two solely here.
All right.
It's all good.
Don't ever come. They just the feel I want girl when they like talky. If I really want talk, if na problem I really want, if I have not moved on, I not go don't deal with another man for more than 5 years. Say I don't even bump pikin, we don't even grow. You say yes, these people deceive me, manipulate me, use me take blood covenant, blood oaths where they not return today. Ask her they never see return the blood oaths today.
Okay. Very good.
I beg, may they see come, may they forget return the blood oaths for me.
All right. Now, listen to me.
Don't ever come. They just be fixing I want girl when they even better for that school. It go disturb me, send me scripture. It go gossip people matter. So that's all these people say. I don't even know. I don't want when they talk go inside. It go come keep out. When you go take off for the thing, tell the person you won't ask me say this girl. So as I be rich, now that's they call me for.
Okay, see, as a date small boy, your destiny.
Yes, like I want to the man they talk. We say that car for the small boy. Say mama know a better. He say destiny. Life for the game life for stage when Mama Esther. He say now only 200,000. Destiny give Mama Esther. He say like Mama settle the matter.
Boy.
Ask Destiny Mama till they sleep with Mama for us. How Destiny Mama till the friend one small boy. I don't know what they call one small boy. Destiny Mama for the friend. That's it. And these people they imagine I for sleep here. How Destiny know they go sleep with the first wife.
How Destiny till they sleep with our own mama part also. Who they talk so see and part. Now this one they talk so, which is Imade Obasuyi. Now they talk so. They confess how Destiny till they fuck parts. Part also my Bermuda to Esther. Part also married. Destiny married Esther for us. They fuck Esther Bermuda. They still fuck Imade. Destiny did not two women, mama pikin. So I'm going to be bagua. I know where you're fafa. Oh, one, two, oh. So I'm going to be bagua. You where you are titi kwa na okoro. Oh. Don't banya me ekpere. You were at it just like that. Uno ya one more year. Destiny. Why are we working with forbid? And I am here. Let me give the forbid. Why are we at the festival in the world, the UK? Evil Binime for you post selfish interest. Whereas people are constituting nuisance. Who do get part so I make get. Oh, we in the UK, why you do okay? Oh, yeah, where at the festival in the world. You want to go and dance my culture? I don't to the world deceiving the people in abroad.